bless you.
How you doing? You know why I'm here?
Yes. Yes, they have a video of it. That's the executive principal, Donnie Prophet.
You know his date of birth?
No.
Well, Destiny Leadership Academy arrested for aggravated child abuse.
Sad. I'm just a little taken aback.
He just has his head one that was calling it. Are you the...
A Florida school principal thought discipline meant control until surveillance footage told investigators a very different story.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing, sir? God bless you.
How you doing? Do you know why I'm here?
Yes. We had called because we just got a report that that our principal mishandled one of our kids today.
Your principal did?
Yes.
You have a video of it?
Yes, they have a video of it. That's the executive principal right there.
May 2024. Deputies from the Marion County Sheriff's Office responded to a disturbance at Destiny Leadership Academy in Ocala, Florida. The suspect, the school's own principal.
We have a video of it that the person who can pull it up is on their way in maybe about 30 minutes before they can get here.
Where's the video at? Security
It's on
camera?
here.
She has the student's information?
Yes.
You want to? That's okay.
Yeah, she has all the students' information.
Okay.
But she was coming so she could pull up the video.
Are you the one that was calling in?
Pardon?
Are you the one that called 911?
She called 911.
Okay.
She's our pastor.
I'm the founder of the school.
She's the founder of the school.
The parent doesn't know?
I don't know,
We are not sure. She hasn't called her. So
but we
called
haven't
them.
talked to him.
Because
You
I
know,
got
When did you find out about this?
I found out about it about 6 or 7 o'clock this evening.
Okay.
The teacher called me.
And she came to the church and told me about it. I told her we're gonna call the sheriff department right now.
After I got definitely evidence that it was so severe.
And did you see the video already or no?
No, I haven't. She just told me, and we came on back down here to.
Has she seen the video?
Yes, she told me she did. Because the person that's coming, the administrator, she downloaded because I asked Dr. Vibe how long the video stay up, and the video only stay up.
Investigators say 33-year-old Dante Akeem Prophet grabbed a student, forced the child to the ground, and placed him in a chokehold.
In a minute amount of time, she told me. Say, well, we're gonna call the sheriff department now so that they can see it. But Ebony downloaded on her computer just in case it go off.
What's the teacher's name? Is it a principal?
Yes,
What's her name?
his name is Donnie Prophet.
You know his date of birth?
No,
How old's the kid?
I don't know.
She'll know more.
Yes, see, I don't know. I think he's like in the grade.
Do you know where it took place at?
Dr. Vibe.
Alright, so what do you know about the situation?
First, I got a call, I think, from maybe the secretary who's on her way.
So your secretary, the one that's on the way, told you about this, correct?
Yes, she was telling me that because she had passed and I had heard the kid's voice through the hallway and stuff, so she decided to pull up the video to see what had transpired.
Okay, did you watch the video?
I have watched the video.
Okay, and what
but
do you
my point, you wanted me to know, you wanted to know how I found out about it.
Yeah, so the secretary told you,
Yeah.
and she said, hey, you should
What
watch.
she said was she had a video that I needed to see.
Okay, and so you watched the video?
We finally did watch the video.
Okay, and what did you see in that video?
I saw what it transpired over a period of 30 or 40 minutes.
And what transpired?
Let me say this, even before I saw the video, of course, then the teacher had called me. The teacher herself, the teacher of the kid that was being abused.
Okay, what did she say?
She was just telling me that she had, how the kids had come in and said, you need to go in, what was transpiring, and how the kid had a welt on his face and all of that, and what she had seen. That's when I knew then to confirm all of that I knew, and that there was a video available.
Okay.
I wanted to know.
Okay, and so your secretary saw the video, and then she contacted you for you to watch the video, correct?
She contacted me.
Okay, and in that video, what did you see?
I saw the principal in severe physical confrontation with the student.
Okay.
And not so much confrontational as much as he was over the whole time just trying to make the kid do what he had said he wanted him to do.
Okay.
And it was totally physical.
And what physical did you see?
I saw him throw the kid on the floor at one point.
And what do you mean by throw? Did he pick him up? Did he push him?
I saw a slinging.
He slinged him like that?
Yes, and then at one point,
Surveillance video allegedly shows Prophet striking the child with a charging cable. The impact caused the student to fall and suffer visible injuries.
at one point he was on top of the kid, likewise trying to get him, I guess, to say, or because you can't hear the, you can't hear.
So he was on top of him? Was he grabbing him? punching him, slapping him?
Unfortunately, his hands really were close to his shoulder, so I don't know if it was close to his neck, but his hands were that way.
Okay.
Other times it was like he was behind the kid and was trying to hold the kid.
Now,
The kid was under the table one time and was trying to grab the kid for the kid.
hold up. Now, did the kid do anything to invoke this to lead up to this? Did the kid strike him? Did they have problems in the past?
They've had problems in the past.
They've had problems in the past.
They've been the best friends.
So this is an ongoing issue.
I think so.
Okay.
And not.
But what led? That's what I'm trying to figure out. What did he was just in anger rage, so he took it on the kid? Did the kid
So
hit
my
him?
understanding is that, and you will see this in this part in the video. My understanding is that we have 4 5th graders that are graduating, and my understanding is that he called the kids in because they're the leaders, and said that in order for you to graduate, you got to write a 5-page essay. And out of the 3 that were here today, I think he said he was not going to do it. He didn't understand why they would have to do that. And so the kid is in the video. He put his head down on the desk, and I think the other 2 kids at that time were sent out because they didn't want to do it, but they weren't as resistant to it. And so from that point, I think the principal was trying to make the kid do what he said.
Okay. And then that's when it got physical.
Yes.
And this happened in front of other people?
No one else was in the room at that time.
He was by himself.
The 2 of them.
And then did one of the kids tell the teacher?
The 2 of them went in and told the teacher, I believe. And then what happened, you can see where at one point one of the other teachers from the room next came because...
Do you?
Yes.
Well, I just looked up Dante, and
Yes, I know. You know that.
do you know of the serious charges that he's against him?
He's been arrested twice in Marion County alone.
One for molestation,
We didn't check any other
One for
counties.
where?
child molestation.
Okay, that's the
Yes,
accusation.
that was the accusation.
Well, he got arrested for it.
Yeah.
And then the other one is interference with child custody, felony.
Is what?
Interference with child custody, felony.
What is that?
Basically means that a parent or a guardian said, give me my kid. He said, I'm not giving you the kid.
he refused to give somebody's kid back. That means he took somebody's kid, or a kid went with him somewhere to his house or something, and he refused to return the kid after the kid was put in missing. A kid that's not his.
Yeah, he's very protected.
Yeah, he loves
And then he,
Well, I'm gonna be honest with you two. After I watch this video, and if it shows what I'm not saying you're lying, if it shows what he did, that's 3 cases now that involves him and children.
that's the last one right here, man.
And I don't.
Authorities say the violence continued. Prophet twisted the child's ankle, slapped the student, and continued physically assaulting the victim.
I'm sure your parents don't want to find out that you got a guy, a principal at your school, that has molestation charges and interference with child
A
custody
lot of
charges.
them know him, though.
Okay, but that's.
Like personally?
Yes.
I got you. I mean, if I had a child and I found out my principal of my children's school
Yeah.
had child molestation charges and interference with child custody charges, I'd be freaking out.
Right. He knows a lot of them. He's very personable. This part I didn't know about him, so the accusation came. But he mentor like teenage boys and stuff and help them finish their high school and help them go to college.
That's him, right? That's
He
him.
looks
correct?
better on there than... yeah, Dante King probably.
Yeah. So I'm just letting you know this is his 3rd incident now involving children. It's not a first, not a second, it's his 3rd. And this is going to be.
Well, now we knew about the first, but the other one we thought,
Yeah, I think he's still on felony
probation.
probation. I think he's still on felony probation for the 2nd arrest.
I think he finished that.
No, it's showing active in my computer.
Showing active?
Yeah.
But not for the one we were talking about.
No, this is for his 2nd time being arrested involving children.
Well, when, do you know the date of that one?
It was last year. It's not even been a full year.
So what was the year of the other one? Because it's the one...
That was
No,
2020.
we didn't know that. Yeah, we
This one is literally. It's not even a full year. It's September of 2023. So
September of 2000.
23.
That's when the arrest was?
That's when he got arrested for this last charge. Yeah.
But that was when they say broke probation, right?
Right.
So we thought he had broke.
September,
Yeah. So he got arrested for something else. Yeah. He's probably not a guy you want around with kids. That's
October, November.
what I'm getting at.
Sounds like he might not be 100% truthful.
Yes. I think he's lying to you guys about stuff. I just pulled him up. He has a whole list of stuff in our database.
Well, I know that's the same thing that anybody can have access to if they pull up his name, right? They
Yes.
should be able to see that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But some, because a parent or two had mentioned it, but they were still, because he had done such a good job last year, they were still willing to stand behind him and let their kids come.
And now look what happened.
He was not on his meds, that's what I'm gonna say.
I didn't know he took meds.
Yes, he does.
What does he take meds for?
For whatever age.
Oh, ADHD.
Yeah.
I mean, I got ADHD. I'm not beating kids.
What you said?
I said I got ADHD and I'm not beating kids.
Yeah, his is a serious.
How much longer until she gets here?
The parent is on her way too.
The parent and the kid too?
Pennsylvania and William.
Okay, she's on the way with the kid?
She said her son is asleep. But I told her that the sheriff department was up here.
Does she know about this?
I just told her that her son, that we got a report that her son was mishandled.
Can you call her and tell her to bring the kid up here? And how long is the secretary going to be?
She said she's gonna be here in a few minutes.
Okay. If you can call that lady back and ask her to bring her child up here, that'd be awesome. Here, you want me to talk to her?
Hold on for a moment. The sheriff want to talk to you.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, sir. How you doing?
Hey, do you mind bringing your son up here so we can talk to you guys? Because we're going to have to talk to him regardless.
I understand. I'm just a little taken aback right now. I'm just trying to get my bearings because I was almost asleep myself.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm supposed to wake myself.
But investigators say the abuse didn't end there. Surveillance footage reportedly shows Prophet preventing the child from leaving the classroom for more than 40 minutes.
Up and bring him out there.
Yes, ma'am. Or how far do you live from the school?
I don't live that far from there.
Okay. Does your son, have you noticed any bruising or lumps or anything on your son's face or body or anything?
He had a doctor's appointment today, and my mom brought him to me. It was a video appointment. He said that like he got called, him and like some of the other students got called into like out of the classroom.
Yes, ma'am.
But he was just like he felt like he got in trouble for something.
Okay. He didn't say anything.
He said like he felt like Mr. Prophet hit him with something. I said, I don't know if they was horse playing. I don't know, but I'm like, what are you talking about? You know what I mean?
Okay. Did you notice any marks or anything on your son?
No, I didn't. He was just playing his video games today, but he said he felt like, I said, did you have an okay day at school? He was like, did Mr. Prophet call you? I said, about what? Well, he said he was going to text me or something. I'm like, text me about what? Because, you know, he was, I was just hoping he wasn't getting in trouble at school for anything, you know, because he had like a little rough week last week because of like a change in his medication. But he was just saying something about today and about a writing assignment. But he said like he don't know why Mr. Prophet hit him with something. I said, what? As he was trying to explain, you know, I was at work, you know, he was at my job, so I was just trying to keep him as, you know, as low as possible. But he didn't say, and he don't know why he hit him with the thing. Something. Okay. But I didn't know.
Well,
it was to any type of level.
I got you. If you come up here now with him or you stay at your house, either way, I got to talk to him tonight.
I understand. I'm just saying, I don't want to wake him up. I mean, I will, but that's kind of like startling to wake somebody up and ask them those, you know, some type of question.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. Why?
You get what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am. I totally agree. But
under Florida law, forcibly confining a person against their will without lawful authority is considered false imprisonment.
And before he has time to put a story together in his head about what happened.
Or leave town.
Yeah.
Please don't call him, okay?
No, I'm his pastor too, so
I know, but
yeah, I definitely understand that aspect, but as far as our investigation goes, it'll hinder us if he gets a leg up knowing that we're coming to talk to him eventually.
Oh, she called him twice, and I saw that it wasn't a missed call either. It was an answer because I saw the seconds next to it.
Did you?
Yeah. She probably called him and warned him.
Maybe left a voicemail. I was going to ask you which classroom this happened in.
Right here.
This middle one here?
That's what we're doing right here.
Okay. Resource room 1. Alrighty. Thank you.
What room? What room did she say?
Resource room 1.
This front room right here?
Second
The
floor.
second room on the right.
Have you tried to call Donnie?
Apostle did.
I know. Did you? Yeah.
Did she talk to him?
Did
No,
she?
he didn't answer.
Okay, good. Yeah, we can't have people calling him.
Pardon?
So we can't have... Trying to give him a shoulder. You should probably watch this.
Pardon?
I said you probably should watch this.
Yes, you should.
See what kind of guy you got working around the kids. Hey, I just watched the video. It's about an hour long of him just messing this kid up. Hitting him, slapping the face, kneeing him, getting him in chokeholds. I mean, tossing him like a rag doll. And the whole time the kid is just trying to run away and get to the door. Trying to run and get to the door. As soon as he almost gets to the door, he just grabs back a hold of him and throws him. The whole time. The kid just has his head down on a desk, and that's how it starts. And
After reviewing the evidence, deputies arrested Prophet on charges of aggravated child abuse and false imprisonment of a minor under 13.
the student is claiming that an incident took part today between you and him. And I just need to get your side of the story.
Tell me the incident, please.
Yeah, well, when we talk, I already told you I'm not doing this over the phone.
Yeah, you have to talk to my lawyer.
I'm gonna have to talk to your lawyer.
Or let me call real quick.
Well, what address you at? Where you at? You at home? Where you at?
I'm gonna have to call real quick. I'm gonna call you. I'll probably call you in like 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright. Just come stand right here. For a little bit.
It's a, we need a yes or no, man. Either yes, you want to talk to us, or no, you don't.
Alright. Turn around for me. Bring it back. You're under arrest, okay? I need your child. I don't believe that you're trying to stop him for the hour and 15 minutes that that video is recorded. Okay? By you kneeing him in the head with the welt on the side of his head from hitting him with the cable from the...
Prophet was booked into the Marion County Jail, where he remains held without bond as the investigation continues.